Welcome to day 2. Today I'm continuing with my prep on my bike for my next trip. So just a quick summary of what we did yesterday. We ripped the suspension out, we took the wheel out, and now we have to clean it all up and put it all together again. Shouldn't be a problem, shouldn't it? Right, before I start with everything, I have to do a disclaimer. I'm not a professional mechanic, so I'm self-taught. I worked on motorbikes all my life, but only on my own. So don't get cross with me if whatever I do doesn't conform to your standards. I'm just the guy next door who fixes his motorbike and does it as good as he can. Thank you. Right, I have to clean all that area up here so I can put the new suspension in. What I normally use is just a little bit of a rag with white spirit on it, because the oily residue in the white spirit just gets rid of all the oil here, and then I can go over and grease up what I need to do. So okay, let's move on. Let's clean that out. Oh, and by the way, yes, I make sure that I don't get anything of that white spirit on these rubber parts. That would be not a good thing. That stinks. That white spirit stuff makes you dizzy in here, so better throw that out and open the door. Get the suspension and try it out. I got some marine grease out so I can slightly grease the bolts before I put them in, and let's get that thing out and see how it looks. I just hit the first snag. The foot here, this one here, is a tiny little bit too wide, but because it's all about, in here you will see there is a bush in here, and that just peeps out a little bit on this side, and that peeping out a little bit makes a big problem. So what I have to do is I will get rid of it, file it down or grind it down. Well, I'll come up with something. All I have to do now is just clean it up a bit, sand over it, make it nice and smooth, and then we try it again. Right, the moment of truth. Will it fit? Let's check it out. Excellent. Perfect. Let's clean this out properly so there's no shavings in there, and then it should be good. Let's get some grease on here, just a little bit, just to lubricate that and prevent rust and oxidation. All we have to do now is get the bolt in here. So I think we just have to raise that baby a little bit, like that, and have a look, and it lines up beautifully. But of course I will tighten it up properly and to make sure I have the right torque setting on the bolts, so don't worry about that. I haven't got the right torque setting now, so I have to go onto the internet and find out. Follow me. Okay, here it is. Final torque value 58 Newton meter. Well, you heard the man, let's get that done. So now that is set, have a look. Hopefully you can see it. 58, 40, 50 and 58. So let's see what we got. We went to 37. And 50 and it beeped. Now you can't blame me, I got it all wrong. So that's all set. Put that to one side. I think it's time to clean up and get the wheel in. Here we go. All we have to do is torque them up and have a look. Brilliant. Nice piece of suspension. Job's a good one. So the manual asks for 60 Newton. Excellent. Right. Let's have a look at that. Let's see if I can do this with one hand without showing off. You see, the red light just came on. So let's do the others, all the opposites. Okay, all done. You see, I'm following the manual right here. So the wheel's on, suspension is in there. Right, it's really hot in here. So anyhow, so I think I'm done with the suspension and the wheel. All I have to do now is put the muffler back on, but that stays off because I have to put a new clamp on, so that won't be done today. So tomorrow it's all about gear. So tomorrow I have to do some decisions on what I take, because obviously my circumstances have changed. Normally I go camping, this time I don't. Normally I'm on my own, this time I'm not. So what I do is I will guide you through my thought process and show you all the stuff. I will decide tomorrow what I definitely have to take with me. Thank you very much everyone for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. That helps me a little bit. And don't forget to click the bell icon below so don't forget anything. So tomorrow I'm back, and tomorrow it's all about gear. If you're riding, don't forget, ride safe. Bye guys.